Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to block messages on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Instagram application right here. And the first thing that we're going to make sure is that you should be at your home page. So if you're from your profile page, for example, just click on this home icon at the bottom left-hand corner and you should be here. Now let's go to the messages by clicking on this messenger icon at the top right corner. And here you should see the conversations you have with your friends on Instagram. And to block the messages from them, just open up their conversation. Click on their name above that, and these settings should pop up. Now, right below their username under the members section, you should be able to see three options: restrict, report, and block. So the first thing that you can do to block messages from them is to restrict their account from you. So just click on restrict. So restricting their account will limit unwanted interactions without having to block or unfollow someone. You'll control if others can see their new comments on your posts or their replies to stickers on your stories, and their chats will be moved to your message request. So this is somehow blocking messages from them as well. So you can just click on restrict account if you want to do that. But if you want to completely block their messages, you can also click on block right here in red text. And you can also block that account and also the other accounts they may have or create. So you can have more security from them and block all their messages from their potential other accounts. So that is how you can basically block messages on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.